The following are highlights from Russian President Vladimir Putin's annual phone on Thursday. On the economy, overall, we are moving in the right direction. What is the basis for saying this? We have started on the trajectory toward robust economic growth in Russia. Yes, this growth is humble, small, but it is also not a fall. Growth was at 1,5% last year. Not everyone feels this personally, but overall, this is an objective statistic. That's how it is the truth. Export in technical equipment is growing, which shows that some structural changes are going on in the economy. Export of agricultural produce, at 20 billion last year, was higher than defense export, which were at 15 billion, on tax, based on our preliminary calculation, we may. In the next 6 years spend 17 billion rubles, but to achieve the goal that we have discussed, we will need an additional 8 trillion rubles. And it is clear where we are going to find them. Firstly, it is through the growth of the economy itself, that's the main source of additional resources. It is also the more effective use of existing resources, adjustment in some senses of our macroeconomic plan and of course adjustment to our tax policy. Stability of tax policy must be absolutely guaranteed for the next 6 years. Many suggest changing the personal income tax. We thought about this for a long time. At first glance, progressive personal income tax seems and looks to be fair, but reality is more complicated than theories and formula. We had such a tax on revenue. This is a serious strain on the economy overall and in the end on citizens, because it inevitably leads to a rise in inflation. All this convinced us that introducing this was also not expedient on the new government. The thing is, the development plan which we have been discussing in recent years, it was being prepared by the previous government during at least the past 1.5 years. I know full well that if we were to replace the entire government 100%, and bring in totally new people, we would have lost at least 2 years, and we do not have those 2 years, but it was also necessary to keep those who made the decision for our country's progress. And to personalize responsibility for what has been done so far and for what is coming up soon. I think that we have an optimal makeup of government for today. On gasoline prices, what is going on right now, it is unacceptable, it is wrong. However, it must be admitted that it is the result of inaccurate regulation, that was brought in recently in the sphere of energy, in energy resources, by the autumn of this year. Additional measures should be introduced which will stabilize the situation on the market. I am basing this on the fact that the government will be monitoring this carefully. Russian Energy Minister Novak, agreement have been reached at the government level with all companies to increase the production of oil product and on delivery to the domestic market, to not permit a deficit. Additionally, we have worked out a series of measures aimed at stabilization. I am referring to the possibility of introducing export tariffs by the Russian government on delivery of oil products for export. A law has been prepared on this and we will be ready to present it to Parliament in the near future, and will ask Parliament to support it. Russian Deputy Prime Minister Kozak, we are introducing the possibility for government to raise export tariffs on motor fuel and